Okay, so info I got from people is that One Shot is gonna be taking a leave of absence not only from Team Spirit but the entirety of the pro scene. Pag-usapan natin to. You know what time it is. Hands in. Nakakalungkot na kailangan niyang umalis, pero kailangan niyang umalis para maalagaan niya yung sarili niya. Team Spirit are one of the contenders na hindi galing sa Southeast Asia that have been very consistent ever since the M5 World Championship. Isa si One Shot sa mga naging matagal na parte ng Team Spirit kung bakit taon-taon over the recent years ay nakakapalag sila. But according to some of the things that he's posted online, nakokompromiso na yung health niya. Dahil sa mga training na ginagawa nila sa flights, going to international tournaments, mas madalas daw siyang may sakit kesa okay. At syempre, para sa isang pro player or sa kahit sinong tao naman, 100% healthy ka para makapag-compete ka ng maayos. And that unfortunately is what One Shot didn't have. Siguro yung iba nasasayangan na parang, men, pangarap namin yan. Bakit mabilis mo lang sinusukuan? Bakit mabilis ka lang umalis? Sigurado naman ako na hindi naging madali para sa kanya yun. Kasi nandun na siya sa tugatog ng karera niya eh. Lalim, di ba? Tugatog. Pero aabot sa punto na meron talagang limits eh. And for him, I think he understood na hindi niya kailangan pwersahin yung sarili niya. Sabi niya na maybe in the future babalik siya sa pro scene. But not anytime soon. Kahit Pilipino ako at kahit madalas nagro-root ako against them every time na may kalaban silang PH team, I also can't help but feel for the guy. And I wish him nothing but the best. I'm hoping that he can make his comeback very soon. If not sooner, then maybe at his own pace.